What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making peppermint bark. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing you're going to want to do is melt your chocolate chips. You could do that in a double boiler, but I'm going to do it in the microwave, less cleanup, nice and easy. I'm going to go in for 20-second intervals, stirring it each time until it's nice and smooth. That is looking good. So now I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And we're just going to stir that in. I have a 9x13 baking dish here. You just line that with some parchment paper. It's going to make it nice and easy to get it out later. We're just going to dump our chocolate into there. And then I'm going to spread that out until it's nice and even. Got that spread out pretty even. It doesn't have to be completely perfect. Now I'm going to go into the fridge for about 10 minutes and let that set up. Our chocolate sat in the fridge for about 10 minutes, set up real nice, so now I'm just going to let that sit out here while I melt my white chocolate. Oh, and guys, I'm using about 12 ounces of each chocolate for this 9x13 pan. Going in the microwave for 20-second intervals and stirring it each time. That is nice and smooth. Again, I'm going to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and stir that in. And now it's time to pour our white chocolate over our chocolate. Just going to go right on top with that white chocolate. We will spread that out until it's nice and even, coating all that chocolate. It's looking good. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now I just got some candy canes that I crushed up, and we are going to sprinkle that over the top. I crushed about 3 candy canes. I don't think it's going to take all that. Probably going to use about 2.5 of the candy canes. Okay, now this is going to go back in the fridge for an hour to set up before we cut it up. It has been 1 hour and that set up really nice. And guys, look at with that parchment paper, pops out real easy. So all that's left is to cut it up and we are ready to go. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.